Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I decided to do a little searching on the internet to find out whether we have reached the beginning of the new solar cycle. And of course, the solar cycle is an 11-year cycle where it improves, and it's generally involved with, and I'm not a solar weather expert, but generally it involves the number of sunspots will determine the solar radiation, which will affect propagation. So the higher number of sunspots, typically the better shortwave reception is. And this article on space.com is saying, this was posted 2 days ago, is that the sun may kick off a new solar weather cycle this month, meaning April. So that is promising. And what I'm talking about, let me go over here. Here is a graph from NOAA of the solar flux index. And here's the 11-year cycle. Started in 2008, was down at the minimum. And the number we're looking for is numbers above 100. And so like 2011, we reached that, and that continued until 2016, and then it started going down. We're still okay when it's in the 80s, but then when it drops below 70, shortwave reception is in the toilet overall, but you can't have days where it is better. And here we are, been down here in the mud here for almost 2 years now. And what the article was saying is, where they're predicting that maybe this month, here's where we are right now, there may be an upswing. Even though this predicted value on this chart says it's going to still go down. I hope that's not right. So if that's the case, that means possibly every month, starting this month, shortwave reception should improve. That's the possibility. So I'm hoping that's the case. And yesterday, from my location, yesterday morning, conditions were better. Not great, but better. This morning, I got on with my Grundig 800, and I was on a little earlier, about an hour or so earlier than yesterday, and the conditions weren't that good. So that's it. So there is hope that shortwave conditions will improve, and you need to dust off your shortwave radios, get them working, check your antennas, because things are going to improve, hopefully. Have a great day. Bye-bye.